Hi, this is Steve from the UK with a quick update about this fantastic new lead generation system and marketing funnel all in one that can make you money too. So just below the video you're watching from myself right now, you'll find a button that'll take you through to this page with a video here that's about 6 minutes long that'll explain everything about the system. What you then want to do is just click the use the secret now button and get yourself signed up straight away, because this is really a fantastic system. It gets you leads and it makes you money as well. So let me show you behind the scenes what's been going on here. First, let me come over to my account here on the profile tab. I want to just show you when I got started with this. You can see it was 0434 and that's Pacific time, so about 6 hours behind, I think, UK. So 4:34 a.m. So I joined at around about 10 a.m. on the 2nd of May, and as you can see down in the right hand side of my screen here, if we just zoom down there to my computer clock, it's been 6 days pretty much to the minute since I got started. So let me show you what's been going on in just 6 days. Now, firstly, just a quick overview of the back office here, because you've got absolutely everything you need to do marketing on the internet with this system. It's all included, and you'll get 100 free leads per day dropped into your system once you get started with this. In the members dashboard here, you've got a video that explains exactly how the system works. You've got online support here that are very, very responsive and get back to you with any questions really quick. Further down the page you can see I've got 100 leads today. I had 200 yesterday. I've got bonus leads of 100 today. I'm now getting 200 leads a day, and you can do this too. All you need to do is get started with the system, refer just one person, and you get an additional 100 leads per day. Yep, that's right, just refer one person to this system and you'll start getting 200 leads per day. Now the system's then got an automatic an email responder in here, and you can actually send emails out from this system. You can see that here yesterday I sent an email out to 1100 leads so far, 146 opens, 21 people have clicked. That's a pretty decent click-through rate, and what I'm doing is I'm actually sending those people right back into this system to market this system. But you can do that, or you can promote other opportunities if you wish to do so. So here on the leads tab at the top, you'll actually see the leads as they are coming into the system. 100 there on my first day, and then 200, 200, 200, because obviously I've referred more than one person. Going across the top tab here, oh, by the way, you can actually export those leads if you wish. You get full details about those leads there. Let me just bring that back for you just to show you quickly by clicking on the little I button here. You'll see those email addresses here, where they came from, everything about them in the system here. It really is a great little system. So master email swipes, this is an upsell. When you get to the payment page, they'll ask you if you want these email swipes. I would recommend that if you're not used to writing emails, these are definitely worth buying, and it certainly saves a lot of time, because you just click a link that's here to import the email into the system, and then you're able to go over and actually do an email, which is done here in the mailing system tab. Here you decide which of the leads you wish to send an email to. So for example, if I wanted to send this to everybody, which is now 1300 leads, remember I'm acquiring an extra 200 a day here, I can then literally choose the email from the drop down if I want to reuse one that I've used before. So here, for example, I could click this and it will load it into the system here, and now you can actually see that email that I wrote and sent out yesterday. And I literally just click send email here, or I can click here to make this perfect timing sending, which means that it'll be sent to people when we know they are most likely to open it. So as I say, it's a fantastic little system we've got here. Statistic page contains those statistics of those emails. Obviously, I've only sent 2 out so far. The affiliates page, what's great about this is we've got an inbuilt affiliate system, paying commissions down 5 levels. When I first joined this, I joined to check out the leads and was really surprised to find a 5-tier commission structure in here, and this is a very powerful compensation plan indeed, because it's really simple. It's inexpensive to get started with this business, just $30 for getting started and $30 a month, but obviously if you refer a few people you can actually make much more than that. So let's just have a quick look at my commissions tab here. So I'm looking at all time, and if I scroll down the page, now I showed you earlier on I've been in this for 6 days. Look at all these commissions. I'm going to scroll out right to the bottom of the page, and I'm going to blur out the names that you're seeing there, but you can see $1,333 in commission, and that's ready for me to request the payout. I can be paid, by the way, via PayPal or Bitcoin, or have a check sent to me. So brilliant little system. Scrolling back to the top here, we've got recommended advertising. You can test your advertising there. Or let's just stick over here in the affiliate section for a moment and show you this downline that's growing for myself. So you can see here I've personally referred 26 people so far, and I've got a team growing now of 161 people. Let's just have a look and see what's happened today. Click on Get Report, and you can see that I've referred nobody today, but 5 people have joined my team, and therefore I've earned commissions today on these 5 people. I can actually come back here and click on today and see the report for the commissions today. You can see there, if I scroll that back on the screen, you can see that I've earned $20 today. And if we wanted to take a look and see what happened yesterday, we could do that as well. We just click yesterday, get the report, scroll down the page here, right to the bottom, you can see my daily earnings. My earnings yesterday, $388. It's an all-inclusive system. They've even got advertising. If you want to go and use some of this advertising, you can do that. You can literally click through these. I've actually not done any of this advertising yet, but if you're ready to do that, you would just simply go and click through these and read that if you're not used to generating traffic yourself. But obviously if you've got a Facebook account and if you've got some people that you can share this with, it is a fantastic opportunity. It's relatively new. As you can see, I was member 2,809 when I joined just 6 days ago. The numbers are going up now, but hardly anybody in the world even knows this exists yet. So it's a fantastic opportunity, and I would highly recommend that you get yourself started straight away. It really is simple. So there's a button below this video that'll take you through to the landing page here, where you can find out all the details about the system here and read, if you wish, the text that's on the page here, which is pretty much the content of this video. Then when you're ready, just click the button, get started, and start sharing this fantastic system and building your leads and growing an opportunity for you straight away. Hopefully you found this useful then, and thanks very much for watching.